So that's how we feel.
Chill.
You know.
Romantic.
I mean, what can I say? Get used to it.
Gangsta.
Call us Westside Warriors. Hello. Mr. Thanksgiving. Friday night, baby.
Scream.
Video shoot. Shawty LO Birds off the mixtape Fright Night. That's how we do it, you know what I'm saying? Wrapping up 2009, about to get ready for 2010. You know, what my nigga gotta do is shoot a video here. One of the coolest directors, you know, he just chill. You know what I'm saying? We're doing the video shoot, you know, when they gonna come make it happen for us.
We the song AM, PM, you know what it is.
Been shit like video. We finally got one with them, so you know.
Been waiting forever. Blowing up their phone. Every time I see him, hey, come on, what's happening? Do something.
So tell me, I mean, what's the concept of the video? You know, what we gonna be doing? What you got planned for the whole thing?
Well, basically, the song is Birds, and it's basically Birds. You know what I'm saying? He got that work, and he distributed it in the street.
Middle finger, tell them haters suck my dick. D4L rockers, motherfuck that bullshit.
Thank you himself, man. I am Carlos coming soon, man. This song right here is called Birds, man. You know what I'm saying? Off the mixtape Fright Night. Before I get started, man, free my nigga Gucci, man. Free Lil Boosie, man. Y'all know how we do it, man. Free T.I., man. You know what I'm saying? Shit going down real heavy in the streets, man. You know what I'm saying? We're keeping it moving, man. D4L Records, man. Hello.
Yeah, man, I see this camera right here on me too, man. Front screen that motherfucker, Front Screen Entertainment. I do got the motherfucking label now. I got my cousin CJ with me, got the buddy ride with me. D4L Records. Costa Nostra is the movement. It's not a group. Don't get it fucked up. You got to ride here, partner. You see Costa Nostra, home. You did what I'm saying?
And then we live on Ustream, man.
Live on
Ustream for
Ustream.
we got this shit, real shit. Soulja Boy, I got that Ustream on my phone too. Check it out, Soulja Boy.
Yeah. That's how we do it, man. Whoa, what's up you get me? Snap it. That's it. Yeah. Okay, let me get one with you now. Ready? Put the L.O. up. Put the L.O. up for one time. Like that. There you go. Young Panther. Say Bankhead. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. My block, baby.
Yeah, I make my own rules. Shots to born home, yeah, you raise a damn fool.
Video shoot, Shawty Low, man. Big shit poppin'. Stay tuned. Stunt man, Mid City, DJ Screen coming soon, man. Fuck them since.
Yeah, we definitely had it on Front Street. Believe that when you get through bullshit. We ain't even let the folk come in the apartment half the time. We catch their ass right before they come in. That was my position. I was Front Street. That's where I get the name from. You know what I'm saying? Shots to going home. Race the damn fool, baby. I love you.